This is the AI News Flash for February 17th, 10 p.m. UTC. But first up, Meta and NVIDIA have announced a massive multi-year infrastructure partnership involving millions of AI chips. The deal includes current Blackwell GPUs along with next-generation Rubin GPUs. Notably, Meta will also be the first to deploy NVIDIA's Grace and Vera CPUs as standalone processors at scale. Meta plans to spend up to $135 billion on AI infrastructure in 2026, with a significant portion directed toward this NVIDIA build-out. Mark Zuckerberg expressed excitement about building leading-edge clusters using the Vera Rubin platform, while Jensen Huang emphasized that NVIDIA is bringing its full platform to Meta's researchers and engineers. Next, consumer goods giant Unilever has signed a 5-year partnership with Google Cloud focused on agentic AI. The deal has 3 pillars: agentic commerce and marketing intelligence, an integrated data and cloud foundation, and advanced AI adoption using Vertex AI and Gemini across the entire value chain. Unilever's chief supply chain officer said technology has moved to the core of value creation, and the company must lead the shift toward AI-driven brand discovery. The partnership will transform how brands like Dove, Vaseline, and Hellmann's are discovered and purchased, as consumer journeys shift toward more conversational and agentic experiences. Third, SEC Chair Paul Atkins is pushing for an innovation exemption framework that would create AI sandboxes for financial firms. The proposal would allow companies to test AI tools in a controlled environment with reduced regulatory scrutiny while maintaining investor protections. Atkins described the framework as cabined, time-limited, transparent, and focused on investor protection. The initiative aligns with the bipartisan Unleashing AI Innovation in Financial Services Act, which directs regulators to establish in-house AI labs free from enforcement threats. The White House AI Action Plan also calls for regulatory sandboxes at agencies like the SEC, signaling broad government support for financial AI experimentation. Finally, the 5-week AI-driven sell-off in software stocks is showing signs of stabilizing. The decline was triggered by Anthropic's February 3rd launch of Claude Cowork's legal automation plugins, which threaten legal tech and data analytics business models. The Nasdaq Composite suffered its longest losing streak since 2022. However, JP Morgan Chase strategists now argue that the bearish outlook on AI disruption is overdone, pointing to solid company fundamentals beneath the panic. S&P 500 futures rose 0.2% to approximately 6,817 in early pre-market trading on Tuesday, signaling a cautious return of buyers after the President's Day holiday. That's all for this AI News Flash.